everybody, Mountain Grandma here. Today's video is for the Wild Game November collaboration being hosted by Christine over at Christine Mrs. Gilliam Farms. I will have a playlist down in the description box below, and you need to check it out because there are awesome recipes being shared for venison. I saw one for turkey, and also you'll see other fish recipes in there. The video and recipe that we're sharing today is for oven-baked walleye with home fries, and I've got Mountain Grandpa in the kitchen sharing with you how he likes to make those. Before we get to that, though, I thought I'd share some of the plans we have for this hunting season, which rifle deer starts for us on November 16th, and this is one area where we have some game cams set up, and I'm going to share with you a video of some footage that Mountain Grandpa actually caught when he was scouting down here around our pond. And then let's check that out. Yeah, we're pretty excited that we're seeing this activity on the property. And then there's one other area that we've got a game cam set up, and it's right through this area here. This is actually a quad trail that my son-in-law and grandbabies use when they're riding their quads in the off season. Of course, none of us are down here right now as we get closer to deer season, but we have seen some activity down here, and I'll share with you a picture of one guy that we're pretty excited about. So there that is. And I thought I would share this with you all. Hope you all are having a great month and a great entry to your hunting season. Now let's go ahead and get to cooking. All right, we've got 3 walleye fillets here that we're going to be cooking. We have used like a paper towel and just kind of dabbed off the extra moisture off of each one, and then coated them with olive oil. And the seasonings that Mountain Grandpa likes to cook with are right here: Creole, black pepper, and this total seasoning. It's really good on fish too. So as soon as we get those all seasoned up on both sides, we move these over to an aluminum foil lined cookie sheet, and we will go ahead and set those aside so that we can get started with the potatoes. All right, for these potatoes, we like them cut in wedges for the home style fries. And you see here we've got them in this bowl. We've coated them with olive oil, and we're going to be using pretty much the same seasonings that we used on the fish. The Creole seasoning, the total seasoning, and the black pepper. Those are Mountain Grandpa's favorite seasonings. And once we get these all coated up well, we're moving them over to a aluminum foil lined cookie sheet. And we're going to get these in the oven first ahead of the fish. And these are going to be cooked at 425 for, we like, about 17 minutes. And then we go ahead and pull them out. We're going to then cover them with Parmesan cheese, and we put them back in the oven with the fish, but bump it up to 450 degrees so they're both in there at the same time. And then we cook them for an additional 10 minutes. And there you have it. 450 degrees, 10 minutes, cooks this fish perfectly. And you can see it's nice and white and flaky on the inside. A great, easy, quick, healthy meal. Hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, until I see you next time, everybody, keep your joy, folks.